You can't deny that fried food is delicious, but the amount of oil used isn't the healthiest. Fortunately, there's a great workaround. Air fryers, which don't use any oil or grease, can produce similar crispiness and are easy to clean. Here we explore what to look for in a quality air fryer if you're itching to try that air-fried recipe you found on the internet. We've also taken into consideration things like counter real estate and whether or not you're feeding an army. If you're not familiar with the concept, air fryers cook foods by circulating hot air around an inner chamber, yielding a crunchy exterior like you would get with frying, but using significantly less oil. Plus, many models even cook food faster than regular ovens, making them a great option for busy households. Instead of making you read through all the air fryer reviews on the internet, we've compiled a list of our favorites. Here, you'll find the best air fryers, from premium models to more compact options designed for smaller kitchens. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, so you can check for updated prices and availability. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First on our list is the Cosori Smart Air Fryer. When it comes to turning ingredients into delicious food, it's tough to beat this air fry model from Cosori. Incredibly sophisticated, the air fryer boasts 11 preset cooking modes for preparing a wide array of food types. It also looks sleek and compact despite offering close to 6 quarts of capacity. We put the Smart Air Fryer's presets to good use too. Everything from frozen food like chicken nuggets and French fries, to onion rings, to mozzarella sticks tuned out golden brown and delicious. It even tackled Brussels sprouts with gusto, thanks to its dedicated root vegetable mode. You can also link the air fryer to your phone via mobile app. The software provides cooking alerts, plus reminds you to shake the frying basket and its contents if necessary. The Cosori fryer is enjoyable to operate as well and isn't too loud. All that adds up to a compelling air fryer pal if you're on the hunt for one. The second is the Ninja Max XL. The 5.5-quart Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was the top performer in our traditional basket-style air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its easy-to-use and read buttons and clear owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's slick ceramic interior and removable tray, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL scored the highest in performance. It produced crispy and even frozen fries, homemade fries, and chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results and melty cheese. It also features several cook settings, including Max Crisp and Air Broil, which reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and Dehydrate, which reaches a low of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The different settings are programmed with unique maximum and minimum temperatures, so you can intuitively achieve different cooking results. Another unique feature is the timer, which counts down to the second. Third on the list is the Gowise USA. The Gowise USA 7-quart air fryer is the one we turn to most for cooking in large batches since it's so big. In our tests, it air-fried crispy fries and juicy wings that we kept going back to nosh on. Its air fryer basket has an oblong shape, which allows for more cooking in a single layer than round baskets, and is a big benefit when it comes to dehydrating. This Gowise air fryer comes with 3 additional racks that stack, which sets it apart from others on the market. The racks stack, which allow you to air fry thin and dehydrate up to 4 layers at a time. Number 4 is the Philips Premium Air Fryer. Our favorite feature of the Philips Premium Air Fryer is its compact shape that still cooks enough food for 1 to 2 portions. At 2.5 quarts, it's the smallest of the Philips air fryers, which comes in XL and XXL sizes. It's also the only air fryer we tested with a splatter lid. In our tests, the lid helped make crisp frozen fries that were moist on the inside, not dried out and evenly golden. It also allows for air frying greasy foods, such as sausages, which are not typically recommended in an air fryer because they can cause smoking. In addition to the lid, the Philips is very easy to use with a user-friendly control panel and 4 preset settings. Also, the basket handle removes for easy cleaning. Number 5 is the Dash Deluxe. While the Dash Deluxe is large and has a massive 6-quart cooking capacity, its design is striking. The appliance comes in aqua, red, black, and white. Its controls are also all manual, but they're simple to operate. The fryer even has an interestingly textured, patterned top. The air fry machine also fried up batches of wings, Brussels sprouts, tater tots, and French fries that were all evenly and well cooked. That said, it's easy to overshoot when air frying a mozzarella stick if you're not careful. We did, which resulted in a cheesy explosion after just 6 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. That said, the fryer's cooking basket has a non-stick coating that's a cinch to clean. Number 6 is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is everything its bigger sibling isn't. Specifically, the small air fryer is underpowered and comes with a rock-bottom price tag. While the Dash Deluxe is a powerhouse, the Dash Compact struggled while air frying almost everything we put inside it. Both French fries and Brussels sprouts were underdone and unevenly cooked. Mozzarella sticks emerged from the air fryer basket hot, but weren't all that crispy. If you look for the best compact and cheap air fryer, then the Dash Compact is the best choice. The last one is Cuisinart TOA60. Cuisinart was the first brand to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, convection bake, and air fry. We tested the pictured digital version, which not only made the most evenly colored toast, but also the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time. The rectangular 15.5 by 16-inch air fryer rack offers a large cooking surface and sits atop a drip crumb tray for easy cleanup. Since introducing the toaster oven air fryers, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller version with the same features and quality performance. If you are on market for an air fryer, we hope our list helps you choose the right model. If you liked our content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful information and guides. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.